Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning class. May I request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer? Okay, Alhamdulillah. So before we proceed, I will check your attendance first. If I call your name, please say present. Abdullah Noria, Ayunan Siti Nadia, Bakar Linaira. Okay, very good. So no one is absent today. So class, do you still remember our last topic yesterday? Very good. It's about verb. Verb is an action word. So, can you give me an example of verb? Very good. What else? Another one. Okay, very good. So, those are some example of verb. So, today, we will have a lesson, or I will discuss a new lesson. But before that, let's have an activity first. So, this activity is called Guess My Name. Are you ready, class? Okay, so let's start. So, I will show you some pictures and guess its name. So, look at these pictures. How about this? Okay, so class, what did you notice in the pictures? Very good. So these are all names of something. And today, we will learn about words that name thing. So, do you have any idea about our topic today? Okay, very good. Our topic today is about noun. Okay. So, noun is a name of person, place, things, animals, or events. Noun is a name of place, person, things, animals, or events. Okay, class, can you repeat after me? Noun is a name of person, place, things, animals, or events. Okay, very good. So, uh, let us look at this example of noun. Number one, doctor. Doctor is a name of person. Very good. Chair. Chair is a name of things. Cat. Cat is a name of animals. Okay, very good. Park. Park is a name of place. How about the last one? Birthday. Birthday is the name of an event. So, okay, class. Can you give me an example of name of person? Okay, very good. How about name of place? Okay, very good. It seems that you already understand our lesson today. Okay, so since you understand our lesson today, let's use this noun in a sentence. First sentence. The boy is playing. So what is noun in this sentence? Excellent. The noun in this sentence is boy. I will give another sentence. The dog is barking. So, what is noun in this sentence? Okay, very good. The noun in this sentence is the dog. So, class, uh, since you already understand about our topic today, we will have an activity. So, this activity is called Find the Noun. Okay, are you ready, class? Okay, so uh, In this activity, I will say a sentence and you will clap once if you hear a noun. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay, very good. So let's proceed. Number one, the cat is sleeping. Okay, very good. So, what is noun in that sentence? Okay, mashallah, the noun in that sentence is the cat. So, another one. The teacher is kind. Okay, very good. So, what is noun in that sentence? Very good, the teacher. Okay, I will give another one. Run fast. Okay, very good. No one claps because there is no noun in that sentence. Okay, it seems that you really understand our lesson today. So, since you understand our lesson today, get your paper and answer the following questions. I will give you 5 minutes to answer these questions. Okay, since you are done, so now uh, uh, let us rewind our lesson. So, our lesson is about noun. So, noun is a name of person, place, things, animals, or events. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay, very good. So now you will be having assignment. So here's the direction. At your home, write 5 nouns and use each noun in a sentence. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. So, since we are done discussing about noun, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something and